Hi, my name is Louie. Today I've got
Damon with Premier RV.
all right, another shorty,
A shorty.
33 footer.
Short coach, short time to, hey, let's do a video, everything.
Today we're going to do a video on the 2016 Tiffin Allegro Red.
33 AA quad slide.
Yeah, no, we're excited about this. We don't get a lot of shorties in, they go quick, so.
They do. And 33 foot with a king bed and a stacked washer dryer.
4 slides.
Yeah.
Oof.
Just pretty cool floor plan.
Yeah, no, we're excited about it. Again, we're in our indoor showroom. We are filled most of the holes, but we've sold some coaches this week, Damon.
We have. We got to get them moved around in here
Yeah.
and do a little reorganization.
And it's Aloha Friday, huh?
It is Aloha Friday.
Pineapple Friday?
Pineapple Friday. I got it. Yeah. I'm ready.
We won't go into the pineapple thing, but
Oh,
are you aware of
tastes great.
pineapples? Tastes great?
You got a couple decorations in your house.
No
No?
decorations. Okay, that's funny. Oh, okay, so let's pull this forward for Jack here so we get outside colors.
Okay.
You know, a lot of people don't realize what's nice is not only we're indoors, but 50 amps also.
Plugged in. No dead batteries ever.
Secured.
Wash them once, they stay clean.
All right, let's pull forward.
Okay.
Thanks. All right, 2016 33-foot Tiffin Red.
Yep.
We're going to be asking $139,999, and it's got 62,000 miles, Damon.
Got the optional 360 horse, Lou.
That's nice.
Yep.
800 pounds of torque. Yeah, so that's good.
This thing will scoot along really nice, being a 33.
Yeah, that's a good upgrade. I mean, bigger is always better, right, Damon?
Yes.
Yep. All right, where do you want to start? At the front door?
Front door, we got side view cameras facing me in that rear view mirror head I see. And the front door is this the pet door or the lane passing safety window?
I think it's the lane pass safety window.
Okay, let's do it with that today.
Unique to Tiffin only.
Yes.
So, yeah, nice entry steps. You know, a lot of good bang for the buck.
Yeah, nice heavy duty door. Look at the hinges they're using on these.
Yeah.
It's got the door check up on top, so it won't get caught in the wind.
Nice screen door. Just in case if the dog wants to look out the window for you, Damon.
Yeah. Or the cat, if you bring your cats.
Yeah, no cats for me, but
This is all paint, huh?
yeah.
Remember the name of the color?
Mocha?
Sorry, I think it was maroon coral. Maroon
Oh,
coral.
the wood was mocha.
Yeah,
right?
the wood mocha.
Okay. Fuel tank's 100 gallons.
Okay.
Tires, did you look at the date codes? I forgot.
We got Hancocks that were installed in 21, so it's probably going to be due for some fronts pretty soon, within a year.
Yep.
Dual fills on that fuel tank you mentioned.
Yep, propane tank. I think it was, what, 24 gallons or something?
We got a hydraulic slide pump. So this is going to be a mix of electric and hydraulic slides.
Yeah, they do the hydraulic slides up on the heavier ones up front, and then they do the electric ones on the rear.
Okay.
You notice.
Yeah.
So, kind of makes sense.
Yep. Got an outdoor LG LED. LP gas furnace here with the wasp prevention screens, which is what I was doing last night on my daughter's roof, killing wasps.
It's that time of the year, right?
It was, and it was the wrong time of the day to do that.
You're supposed to do it in the morning, I think.
Yeah,
Damon.
when they're dormant.
All right, this actually looks nice and clean, but you got a good storage bay here.
Yeah, nice large pass-through bay, AC and 12 volt on the right if you want to put a TV, or freezer I should say. The TV's already in this one.
And this is on the freightliner chassis?
Yep.
Yep.
Got a 12,000 pound front end, 20,000 pound drive, 32,000 gross vehicle weight. Gravity fill for the freshwater tank. This tells us we got a residential fridge.
Yep. Boy, paint's in good condition.
It is.
Yeah, nice colors.
Got a LED porch light.
Yep.
And it looks like the microwave's vented to the outside.
Yeah.
This will be some chassis batteries and some
We got the home improvement here.
heavy duty.
Home improvement.
It's good for gallon containers or aerosols. And then some chassis components there, probably a brain and a little bit of storage here. 10-gallon LP gas or electric water heater. Your stainless steel exhaust tip.
Yeah, I like the American flag here, huh?
Yeah, that's pretty creative.
So just got a rear-mounted radiator here.
Mm-hmm. Looks good though, nice and clean. Dipsticks on the right for the engine and trans.
5,000-pound hitch.
With a 7-way Bargeman flat plug.
Exterior ladder. We got a little washing vent. We got a stacked washer dryer in here, huh?
Look at that. I didn't even see that. You'll have to be careful when you're climbing the ladder not to put your foot through that dryer vent.
Looks like we got a little broken latch here on the, but we'll fix that during our inspection process, right?
Yeah, good looking rear cap with the camera recessed in up there.
Yeah. Height of the coach, Damon.
You got me on that one.
1210.
Oh, same as a country coach.
Yeah, it's kind of shocking. It looks shorter than 1210 height.
It does.
But good interior height though, also. So.
84?
Yep.
All right.
A little more storage here.
50 amp service. Got a transfer switch with a surge protector in the back and your DEF fluid. How many gallons of DEF fluid can you haul, Lou?
Was it 16?
16, all right.
I think that's what my cheat sheet said.
And then your department right here, Lou, will let you do all the talking with the, we got some modifications here. I've never seen that before.
What's that?
This garden hose attachment down on the floor. The heck does that go to? Well, let's plumb back to something. Huh, I'm kind of curious now.
Well, let's get this on video, Jack.
Well,
Huh?
So this comes into the bottom of that valve, which is the freshwater drain. It probably originally went straight down on the ground, but for reasons unknown to mankind at the moment, you could hook a garden hose up here, I guess, and direct your freshwater drain somewhere else.
I do know that he was very into sanitizing his fresh water. He uses a product called Purigen, which I was looking up, but good product to have to clean your freshwater tanks.
Mm-hmm.
And that's what he was. He was originally a detective, and then he got into inspections for water systems. So
I suppose you could do some kind of a back flush maybe with his...
I'll have to call him, but he did buy another coach from us, but yeah, we'll be more than happy to find out what that is. But the gray tank is 70, and the black is 50.
Fresh is?
90.
Yes.
So
We got a whole house water filter on the right. Water pump switch down in the bay here. Black tank flush. City water connection. And bypass winterizing kit.
And the DEF is actually 13 gallons.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, you haul a little less stuff.
Yeah.
Opposite side of your pass-through storage bay. Looks like a central vac on the right. A Magnum inverter up in the ceiling. And a Victron charging module here on the left.
So it must have some solar, huh?
Yeah, I wonder.
We'll have to go look. I think it has one panel,
Okay.
if I'm remembering this coach.
July of 24 on the house batteries. There's 4 of them. They're 6-volt interstates wired in a series with a disconnect on the right, that red handle. And they're on a slide tray.
Yeah. Nice, clean.
It is. Driver's side fuel fill is up a little bit higher here.
Yep.
And windshield washer fluid, some resettable breakers.
And we got a generator, so is there a latch here to pull the thing out, or is it underneath?
It's up on the ceiling, and I unlocked it already.
Oh.
And then you come around over here, and you hit these two, and this hinges up.
8K.
8K with 654 hours.
Yeah.
Pretty clean in there.
Yeah. no rust or anything like that. He was from Arizona, and he'd just come up to Oregon during the summer months to get out of the heat. So hasn't lived in it full time or anything like that. Just getting away from Arizona and getting away from the heat. So
got it.
Yeah. Windshield's in excellent condition.
One piece.
Yeah, good.
It's a good looking front cap.
Yeah, good looking coach. Really good condition. Let's go inside, Damon.
Okay.
Huh?
Hi, we're in this 33AA Tiffin Allegro Red with the slides in. So this is what it would look like driving down the road. Pretty open floor plan. It does have a coffee table that came with it, so we turned that upside down on the sofa. You can get through here pretty easy. It's a over-under fridge that opens just enough to reach in and grab what you need. And then the bathroom would be on the opposite side, and we're not going to hit anything on that fridge. But yeah, you can get in here to the shower, toilet, etc. And then to get into the rear, you would have to lunge over this bed, but you can certainly climb in bed and take a nap if you're driving on the road, don't want to put your slide outs in.
All right, Damon, being inside, a little 33-footer.
33AA quad slide.
Great floor plan, king size bed like you mentioned, stacked washer dryer.
Yep.
Tons of sleeping. Good starter coach.
It is, full tile floor.
Yeah, this is a hide bed, huge sofa. And this dinette booth was an option. It also makes into a bed. I mean, you could almost put, it has a nice little table over here, but that's a lot of seating, huh?
Yeah, it is. It's a great layout for a 33-foot. It's very open. There's a lot of room. I really like the colors. The lighter floor goes really well with the cabinets.
Yeah, good contrasting colors. I guess the cabinets, it's called mocha. The interior, you know, everything's in really good condition. These are just what, pull down shades, looks like. Is there electric shades up here? Yep.
Yeah, there is.
So, yeah, no, good leveling system, HWH. We got some jacks.
6-speed Allison, 62,000 miles on this.
Yeah, that's an Allison 3000 with 6.7 360 Cummins. So this thing will get up the hill pretty good. Good storage here.
Got a lot of storage up here because the TV is midship. So.
And then in here, we've talked about it. We got the thermostat and the Magnum inverter.
Yeah.
Driver and passenger seats rotate around, so for seating, gives you a lot of seating inside the coach.
Yeah, for a 33.
Which is really nice. But I really like the midship TV with the fireplace.
And
then big sofa like we mentioned, dinette, a little workstation there.
Yep.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a great floor plan. A lot of coach for $139,000.
Tell you what, yeah, 3-burner cooktop, nice sized kitchen, stainless sink here. And then you got some good drawer space underneath for pots and pans and stuff.
You got their garbage can over here and sink covers. There's a bracket there that they sit in when you're using the sink.
So we mentioned the solar. It's got 3 huge solar panels up there. So I'll have to check with them, but probably
450-ish watts.
Probably close to 600.
Could be, depending on the size of the panels.
So we'll get the exact specs, but good solar. And then residential refrigerator here. This was an option, wasn't it?
It was.
Yep. Little freezer there. And you got a nice little pantry area here.
Over your right shoulder here, Jack, you've got all your switches are labeled and have a little light when they're on, so you know.
Looks like a little central vac.
Yeah, that's where the port is for the central vac.
Yeah, here in the water closet, we got the shower.
Side bath. So they put everything on one side, and yeah, good sized shower with a seat.
Yeah, for 33 feet. I mean, it's actually...
Probably got a vent fan in there.
Yeah, you should have that. King size bed like you talked about. You don't see king size beds in 33 footers too much.
No.
So.
Ceiling fan. It's got that nice sliding door for the stacked washer dryer.
Yeah. Looks like almost like a little max storage thing here. So you got a little hamper area. A lot of audio video stuff coming in here, and then some drawers. Not only that, you got a pretty good sized wardrobe back here, Damon.
Yeah, look at that. All the attachments for the central vac is on the floor. Boy, these look like they're really deep. And they are. You got a nice headboard.
Got some good storage underneath the bed there, too.
Yeah. So they did end windows above each nightstand with a fancy headboard and a couple of wall sconces.
Nice outlets on both sides.
Yeah, and then USBs on the front here.
Yep.
This pocket door, really easy to operate. That's the
that thing's huge.
The lock, so when you're driving, they stay put.
Yeah, ceiling's in good condition, no water damage, no bad smells.
No. I saw on the window sticker, it also has, which we have, the window sticker, 15,000 BTU roof air with heat pumps, so this thing will really cool down.
Yeah.
No,
that's
33.
Nice. Yeah, no, this is another good one, a shorty, which is always nice to have. So if you're interested, give us a call. Hit the subscribe button, of course.
It's free. Thank you.